Question is to outline the principles of refining of metals by the following methods. So first we have to define zone refining. So zone refining is a method which is based on that the impurities are more soluble in the molten state than in the solid state. So it is a very important point that it is based. The basic principle is that impurities are soluble in molten state than in the solid state. In this process, a circular mobile heater surrounding the rod of impure metal is fixed at one end. Move the heater from one end to the other end so that the impurities present in the rod also moves to the other end of the rod. Repeat the process several times again and again. Impurities get concentrated at the separate ends of the rod. This end is cut off. It will be easy for you to visualize this. So this is a rod. Okay, this is a rod, and this is the heater, induction coil heaters. So what we will do is that we will just move the rod from one side to the other side. Okay, one side to the other side. So what you will observe is that the impurities will get concentrated on the ends of the rods. Okay, here also and on this side also. Okay, so and the rest of the rod has high percentage of pure metal. So what we will do is that we will just cut off cut out the this portion of the uh, rod and throw it, and so the now the rod is only of this much length. Okay, so as we have cut the remaining portion because it has high concentration of impurity. Moving on, we have to define the method of electro refining. So electro refining is the process of refining impure metals by electricity. In this method, impure metal is at the anode and the same pure metal strip is at the cathode. Same metals salt which is soluble is taken as the electrolyte. When electricity is passed, the metal ions deposited at the cathode pure metal and the impure metal is starting dissolving the solution in the form of ions. Impurities present in the metal gets collected at bottom of the anode as node 1. So I will just show you with the help of an example. Sorry. Uh, so, so this is a beaker. Pardon my poor artistic skills. So these are two electrodes. Okay. So consider this as anode. Just write A for it, and consider this as cathode. I will write C for it. What happens is that um, in cathode, a pure metal strip is um, pure metal strip acts as a cathode and impure metal strip acts as an anode. Okay, so I will write impure here I and P. Difficult to draw and write using mouse. So I and P for the impure metal at the anode, and here the solution is present of the same element that is in the electrodes. Okay, so suppose the element is M, so it has some charge also, so M Q plus charge is present in the solution. Okay, salt. Okay, so what happens is that impurities, when the electricity is passed, this impure metal starts dissolving the solution in the form of ions, and the impurities present in the metal gets collected at the bottom, and like this at the bottom of the anode the impurities gets collected, and this is known as the impure mud. Okay, moving on, we have to define vapor phase refining. So in this process metal is converted into its volatile compound which is collected and decomposed to give pure metals. The two major requirements are the metal should form a volatile compound with a suitable reagent, and the volatile compound should be easily decomposable so that to recover easily.